Hello, everybody. This is Reggie, the Insurance Fellow, and I'm glad that you're with me. Today, I want to talk about living benefits. We often think that life insurance is synonymous with death, but there's a lot of living benefits. Life insurance is for the living, and I think oftentimes that's overlooked. So, let's, for a brief couple minutes, look at what is good in terms of living benefits for life insurance. Let's look at this. With some policies, it's allowed for cash value accumulation. So you're able to grow money into your policies either through, but most times, a portion of that premium payment, it goes toward that cash value and to be able to grow it. And for many policies, you can use it as a later date. That's a living benefit. Most people don't look at it as that, but it's a living benefit because you can access it while you're alive. Next thing, let's look at it. Policy loans, that is a living benefit. If you can borrow against your cash value, that's a living benefit. If anybody didn't think that insurance can't help someone, they most certainly can. Policy withdrawals. If you withdraw a portion of the cash value, it can affect your death benefit, but it will allow you to raise like quick money or smaller liquid assets when you need it. Living benefit riders. This is very important. A lot of times when policies go through the underwriting process, or when you got your field underwriter, which is your agent, or who, if you're talking with them on the phone, policies can be customized to meet the needs of that customer. And a lot of that's done through riders. A living benefit rider, this allows a person to accelerate a portion of their death benefit should they get ill, should they get incapacitated, or have, well, let's look at it for what it really is: a qualifying illness, a terminal or chronic illness, meaning if they have up to 2 years or under to live, that would be something that's considered, would be qualifying for a living benefit. Or get in a situation where they're no longer able to perform their daily living activities. All of these are living benefits, and these things are overlooked when it comes to life insurance. People associate like the payout when someone dies. Life insurance is a living product. It is for the living, and we have living benefits. Here are some other uses for your living benefits. It can provide some financial security in times of uncertainty, because sometimes you might need it in an emergency. You might need it to finance somebody's education. You might need it to augment one's retirement. So it's a living benefit, and it helps a person while they're here. Caregiving is another way to look at this. It can help cover medical costs. The thing about it is, and we know this, people accumulate a lot of money throughout the course of their lives. But oftentimes, medical costs, and more specifically long-term care, ends up getting a large chunk of that money. So you end up saving quite a bit and then end up with a smaller amount because of rising medical costs. Living benefits help in that aspect to be able to offset a lot of those costs. Supplemental retirement income. This is why it's very important, because a lot of people, they look forward to retirement. They worked hard all their lives, and sometimes we run a little short every now and then. Sometimes the money is not looking like we thought it would look. Being able to tap into this is a very, 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 very good way of looking at it. We can also look at this as well. Tax advantages is a good thing. Dividend payments, because some financial products allow for dividend payments. That retirement funding, and we talked about that. Life insurance itself is the best and most efficient way to create an estate for yourself and your family. There's a lot more that I could share with this, but I think not enough emphasis is placed on the living benefits that come with life insurance. My name is Reggie, Insurance Fellow. I'm licensed in North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia. We keep the families covered, and another state too. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we will have more of these videos coming. Thank you so very much, and don't forget, life insurance is for the living. If you don't learn anything else, it's for the living. Make sure you're able to take advantage of your living benefits today. If you don't have a policy, it's not too late. Talk to a professional. Let's see what we can do. If not for you, at least for someone you love. Take care.